spicy. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Like, I like chunky sauces, but with Carolina Reaper, guys, you're just gonna be munching on the Reaper probably, guys. Okay, it's hot. It's hot, it's hot. This one's really hot. Like, my taste buds are on fire. What's up, guys? Hope you guys are having a super amazing day today. Guys, I received the package and oh my goodness, look at it. It looks so cool. Look at that. I know, right? And that's the tape holding the box together. That's exciting. So this is from the company Bored Sauce. Now, I have no idea why they named it Bored Sauce. My thing is, like, were they like bored of trying all these other hot sauces? And then all of a sudden they're like, you know what? I can come up with my own hot sauce. I don't know, but that's so exciting. So let's go ahead y vamos a abrirla, guys, so I can see what it's all about. I have no idea how many hot sauces are in here, pero I really want to find out. It's a nice heavy package, so I'm assuming there's quite a bit of hot sauces, you know. Vamos a abrirla. Let me put the knife down because you guys never know. I've actually cut myself before, so you'll never know, guys. Woo! Oh, it's very nicely packaged, guys. Woo! Look at this. Look at this. Oh, isn't that so cool? It's like a smiley face and it's like winking at you, but it's just peppers and a banana. That is awesome. Okay, moment of truth here. Ooh, look at this. Oh, thank you for your support. I love Bored Sauce. Look at this, guys. Oh, I don't want to like tip it over, but I got 3 hot sauces to try. Okay, we got M1 Habanero, Banana Chipotle, and M2 Reaper. Okay, Chipotle should be less spicier than the Habanero, so let's go ahead and try that one first. And give it a good little shake before I read you guys the ingredients. It says, oh, it has a little description here. It says, Bobby Bellhop has been hauling bags for hotel guests for all his 8th life. Bobby always had a passion for peppery provisions and dreamed he would one day bring the planet a jungle-inspired hot sauce. What? That is so cool. Okay, this one, the Chipotle one, has aged red peppers, banana, rum. Rum, what? Water, vinegar, garlic, sugar, 2% or less of habanero peppers, chipotle peppers, agave nectar, xanthan gum, salt, cumin, and ascorbic acid as an added preservative. Good little shake. Y vamos a abrirla. A ver cómo sabe, guys. You know, guys, I am a sucker for like chipotle hot sauces because a lot of times they're great in un caldo. Un caldo de bagre, catfish soup. Oh, so delicious. Okay. Whoa, it does not have a dripper stopper thing, the restrictor one. So that is cool because I'm not really a fan of them. I feel like I just want to get a ton in my spoon. And my spoons, guys, they hold quite a bit of hot sauce. It's a nice, smooth consistency. Vamos a ver a qué sabe. What am I munching on? It's so good. It has a nice sweetness up front. A little heat, like mild, like a very mild heat. You taste the garlic, the spices. Oh, it tastes so good. This one's great for everyone. Like if you're not that good at eating spice, but you still want some hot sauce to like elevate any dish, this one would be great. Oh my goodness, I can do this one all day. I get hints of chipotle in there. It's not that overpowering, but you still get the nice chipotle hint. So good. I really like this one. Let's go ahead and try the habanero one next, guys. What if that one's hotter? I mean, we have the Reaper one for last, so gotta prepare myself for that one, ¿verdad? Okay, this one has aged red peppers, carrots, onions, distilled vinegar, garlic, lime juice, salt, and xanthan gum, guys. So this is it. The color, look at that vibrant color in it. I know, it's so beautiful, isn't it? Okay, vamos a abrirla a ver a qué sabe esto. Guys, habaneros, I mean, it doesn't tell you what kind of habaneros it is. It just says habaneros. But like the red habaneros, I'm trying to get this open, but no tengo uñas, guys. Si no voy a usar mi cuchillito. I got it. The red habanero, the Savina one, that one is so flavorful. So like it almost has like a fruity taste to it, but it's hot. It's way hotter than the orange habanero. Oh, look at it. Oh, guys, I don't know if this camera is doing it justice, but the consistency of it is like a nice, silky, smooth consistency. You guys see that? So beautiful. Okay. Little saltier than the first one. Doesn't have that sweetness in there. But guys, this one in some tacos, on some chips, and some burritos, and some eggs in the morning. No, hombre, olvídate. The garlic is great on it. The spices are amazing. It has a bit more heat. I mean, obviously because of the habanero, ¿verdad? But it's not overpowering. It's not overpowering. Like, you can still taste all these flavors going through your taste buds, and then that heat kicks in, which is nice. It's like a nice subtle heat, and it's addicting heat that you're gonna want more and more of it. So delicious. I really like the consistency of it. It's not watery. It's like a silky smooth consistency. So good. Okay, guys, vamos a probar the last one, which is the Carolina Reaper one. I don't know how that one's gonna be, guys. Oh, Carolina Reapers, you guys know Carolina Reapers are no joke. So, vamos a ver a qué sabe esta. And I mean the color, guys. Just the color on it, guys, is like, oh, watch out, baby girl. This is a bit spicy. Oh my goodness. Okay, what are the ingredients in this one? Red peppers, Reapers, piquillo, and peri peppers. Well, that's cool. That's gonna give it a nice flavor to it. Red wine vinegar, tomato, onion, water, garlic vinegar, salt. Contains 2% or less of spices, sugar, xanthan gum, calcium chloride, citric acid. También as an added preservative, so it can last you a while. It doesn't say it has to be refrigerated. And a lot of hot sauces, like a lot of good hot sauces, like you don't have to refrigerate them, which is so freaking amazing, because if not, you're gonna open your fridge and it's gonna be like pure hot sauces everywhere. Like I have a lot of them in my fridge, but then I also have a whole section in my pantry with hot sauces, which is pretty cool. Because I won't want to be putting hot sauces in my pantry and then it's like, se me echa a perder, you know what I mean? But I always put the newer ones over here, and then ya que me estoy acabando, ya van para allá. Pero, yeah, no me duran las hot sauces with me, guys. Okay, this one looks more of a chunkier consistency. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Like, I like chunky sauces, but with Carolina Reaper, guys, you're just gonna be munching on the Reaper probably, guys. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. It still has a nice smooth consistency with chunky pieces in it. Wow. You get garlic, you get some spices, you get the salt in it, and then it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. This one's really hot. Like, my taste buds are on fire, but it's good. It is delicious. Nombre, with some chicken. I got some chicken out right now. Good on some chips. I mean, if you can take the heat, guys. But with some chips, honestly, I feel like chips kind of help you, you know, control the heat. Because you're munching on it, you're just like, you know, especially if you're watching like some UFC fights or something like that, and you're just munching on chips, just put this there y se va a acabar, pero pronto. This one's really good. Super delicious. Not at all was what I was expecting when I saw like the banana stuff. I was expecting more like very fruity flavors. No, but these are so delicious. Something that everyone can use in like everyday meals, not just like, oh, you're gonna add it on your desserts or something like that. Because yes, guys, there is hot sauces that you add on desserts. No, these go great on everything. Everything. Tacos, oh, like some ground turkey tacos también. Oh, some nachos, top it off on your nachos. It's hot though. It's really hot. It's really hot, but it is so flavorful that it's almost like addicting and you want to just keep going for more. Yeah. Okay, one more, guys, one more. Because, oh my goodness, it's so good. So good. Whew. Spicy goodness, guys. Oh my goodness, guys. Board sauce, you guys are so freaking awesome for creating these flavors. They are so delicious. Thanks a million for sending it to me. And thank you guys for watching. You guys are freaking awesome. Have a great day. Bye.